fastball down, cut and sink, both. And off of that, breaking ball that, a lot that, because the fastball's down, kind of the same window, got a lot of chase with it. But he lived at the bottom of the zone, and, we didn't do a lot. We had a couple pretty good chances, and we didn't cash in. But I just thought, off of the fastball, there was some deception, and he's, like I said, there's good movement on his fastball.
You talk about Tomlin and what he was able to do.
I thought he was really good. I mean, started out, gave up a single run in both first 2 innings, and then made some adjustments and just kept it right there. His pitch count was so low, and we didn't get to him that inning, so we left him in. And part of the reason when it was first and third we keep him in is because he fields his position and he can't run on him. Kid laid down a great bunt, and the ball goes in the outfield. Then things get tough after that.
Was it Santanas back that he heard when he went into the wall there?
Yeah, he didn't hit his head. He pretty violent, on his back, but he's okay. I mean, and he stayed in. He made a nice play. He doesn't want to come out of games.
Just what's that moment like? I mean, it's a risk putting him out there, but
yeah, and it looked violent. So I was just glad when they said it wasn't his head or his knee. I mean, by the time I got out there, he was. I mean, you could tell he was okay. He was just trying to catch his breath.
What do you think of the double play he helped?
That was a great play. I mean, I think he's more athletic than people give him credit for. He does he does fine out there.
What was your view on the Edwin foul ball? I mean, could you tell right away? I mean, it looked like you were waiting to kind of find out.
I lost it because it was that time of night.
Yeah.
So I asked Sarby, and he wasn't really sure. And Edwin actually told me it was foul. But we called upstairs, and they couldn't see it.
That seems like a tough inning for you guys. You get.
Oh, man. Yeah, we had first and second and Carlos up. We get a first pitch double play. We got a pretty good chance there.
It seemed like the guys were having a lot of trouble with the strike zone, or early there was a lot of.
Yeah, I mean, early it's hard to see, I think, for everybody. I mean, he went right through our first 5 hitters. I don't know. I mean, you got a guy that's pounding the zone low and calling it, so we kept doing it. I don't blame him.